Hello, my
Hello, my
esteemed viewers.
amazing
Welcome
viewers.
back to my
Welcome
channel.
back to my
Today
channel.
we'll be looking at
Welcome
Bybit
back to
affiliate
the
program
tutorials. Today we'll
that
be
will
looking
allows
at
you to earn 50 commission from anybody
Bybit
who sign up
affiliate program.
using your
How you can
referral
earn
links. Okay.
thousands of
So all you just
dollars
need to do
from
now is to make sure you
referring
take your smartphone or your
people
gadget and navigate
to
yourself to the Chrome and dial in
participate on Bybit trading.
bybitaffiliates.com.
So all you just
Okay.
need to do,
As I said,
you take up your phone and navigate yourself to
bybitaffiliates.com
your
allows
Chrome.
you
Let's
to earn a
quickly
lot
do
of
this and
commissions
you
and
see how
a lot of free
profitable it
monies
is.
from
Okay.
people signing up
So
from your
now you join
referral links and
Bybit affiliate
also
program.
from
Come to
trading.
this page and
Okay,
type in
you also earn a lot from their
affiliate.bybit.com.
trading. So all you just need to do, make sure you
I'll
sign
be
up
dropping my
properly,
link
share
for you
your referral
at
links, and
the
start
descriptive
earning
section of
money
this very video so
for
that you
free.
can
Okay,
kind of use it to
so
sign up.
let's quickly dive in.
Okay, you can see
I have
it's saying boost your
I'm
earning
right on
through
the
Bybit
website,
affiliate programs,
and you see
monetize
it's
your
showing
influence,
me
go
join our
through robust
affiliate
analytics,
programs. Okay,
join a tight knit
receive monthly
community.
revenue
Okay,
for every
so roll down and
user
say
you bring.
Bybit affiliate commission,
Okay, you receive
receive
up to
monthly
50%
revenue
commission, as I said earlier, on the
for
either they are on
every
their trade
user you
spot,
bring into
feature
Bybit
trading,
trading
or
platform.
on
You can
their
see.
options trading. Okay,
Okay, what can you gain when
you
you bring
also get
users to
5%
Bybit
commission,
trading platform? You can gain
5%
up to
commission participants
50%
in end
commission
products.
of their
Okay,
trading
you
spot,
also gain
futures, and options
10%
trading.
commission
Okay,
in sub affiliates. That is,
if those
whoever
people
register
still
under
refer
you
someone, you get
and the person
5%
has bring
commission
another person,
participants
you
in
earn 10
end
commission
product.
from that person's own. Okay,
You also get
so Bybit affiliate
10% commission
benefits.
on sub affiliate.
Bybit
That
stand
is, if
out
these
from
7
other
people
affiliate programs
refer
through
another
the
person.
innovations of
Okay,
our affiliate
you can see,
exclusive
let's
portal.
take
So
a look at the
you can just
Bybit
go
affiliate
across
program
all of
benefits.
this to
You can see,
see
you can
how
go through
really they
this for
works,
yourself
make
and
your own
see how
personal
it really
research,
works.
go through
Bybit
it,
stand
read it
out for
carefully,
other
and
affiliate
see what
programs through
exactly
the
you stand to
innovations
earn.
of
Okay,
affiliate exclusive portal to
and see
view
what exactly
earnings
you what
and
you
new
stand
products.
to
Okay,
earn.
coupled with world-class account
So you
services
can
and
keep
also a
scrolling
strong
and
community, we aim
check
to
all
provide
of
the
this for yourself.
first-in-class affiliate programs in the industry.
Okay,
You see, so you go through
scroll up
all of this for yourself
and check
and
all of this for
you
yourself.
see what
You can just
exactly
make your own personal
they
research.
stand to offer.
You can as well
Okay,
say become an athlete.
so
Now,
you
first
see
thing you need
the
to do, you
steps.
apply. Second thing, you
Becoming an
share,
athlete
and the
is
third thing
easy.
is
Apply.
earn.
It takes less
Okay,
than just 5 minutes
becoming
to
an
apply.
athlete on
All
this very
applications will be reviewed within what?
exchange
Within 24
will
hours.
earn you a
The
lot.
moment your
These are
application
the
is
three things you
approved,
just
you
need
will
to
be
do. First, you
notified.
apply. Secondly, you share,
Okay.
and third,
So this one
you
says
start earning. Join a growing
customize,
community of
share
over
your affiliate
100,000
exclusive
athletes. You can see
invitation link to
all this. You
friends
just
and
need to
also
kind of
users. Okay.
scroll up and see it for
And
yourself.
earn
Okay,
up to 50% of their
so on
commission.
this
I've said that
video we're
earlier.
going
So
to do the
join a
sign up
growing
process
community of
together
over
and all other
100,000
things
affiliates.
together
Join
so that
our
you
affiliate
see how
program today.
exactly it
So all you
works.
just
Okay,
need to do now,
so
having
all you just
going
need to
through
do,
all
you
of
can either
this, all you just need
click
to
on
do
join from the
is
bottom
to
or you
walk
click on join from the top.
down straight
Okay,
and click on
all
join
is the same.
affiliate program. You can
So
either
I'm
click
gonna
on
going to
this
click on
or you
join
click
affiliate
on
now.
this. It's all the same. Okay, let's click to do this sign up process together. So
Okay,
as you are going through this, if you have not
so the moment
subscribed
you
to this
click on this,
channel,
it will
can you
take you to this very
please
interface
do
which
if
shows
this is
you
your first time.
how
And
to
if you are
read.
a returning
So
viewers and
after
you are
doing all
yet
that,
to kind of
you will need to provide
subscribe
your
to this
social
amazing
media
channel,
link.
please do so that we
Okay,
can
you
keep
provide a
doing
social media
this
link
and sharing
so
knowledge
that
on how to make monies together on this
Bybit
very
can go through
platform.
it and
Okay,
verify it. Okay,
so all you
you
just
click on
need to do
accept
here,
all.
click on accept all cookies. Okay, accept everything.
So you click on accept all. So after that, you will be asked to
Okay, on
provide
that,
your
something
email.
of
After
this
providing your
nature
email,
will be given to you.
you choose
That is
your
a space
password
for you
and
to log in. If
keep
you have an
moving.
account
Okay.
already, log into your Bybit account
So
and
what I'm going to do
continue
now is that
Bybit
I'm going to
affiliate.
choose an email to register with.
New to Bybit, sign up. Okay, of which I will be dropping my link
So
for
after
you
that,
to
it's gonna
sign up
going to
with it.
show me
Okay,
an authentication where I can
so
provide a code from
we'll just log in.
my
I'll
email
continue with
and
this.
continue. So now I'm going to confirm my
Okay,
email.
I'll click on confirm.
So I'll go to my email right away and click on the link. It will bring you to this very place. You click
So
on it,
it's verifying.
verification successful. So
Let's
you
quickly look
provide
a
the link
little.
now to log in. I see the link,
So the
sorry.
next thing that
You
you
provide
just
the
need to
email now
do
to
is
log
to
in.
do your
So you'll be asked to do 2FA code authentication,
Okay.
Google 2FA.
Two-factor code.
So you do the authentication. The next thing, click on this and click on confirm. Okay. So you click on confirm. So let's watch carefully. Okay. After I click on confirm, it will bring you to this very interface, which will ask you either to switch to another account or to continue. So on this now, you're going to provide your social network. Okay. Which I'm going to provide my. You need to provide your YouTube link, your Facebook link, or any other social network you're using. But here you must provide your YouTube link and your Twitter link. Okay. I'm going to provide that right away. And also you're going to go into choose your contact information. That's it. You choose your name. Okay. I've taken a name, but I would prefer to use my YouTube account name, VTutorial. Okay, I'll click on agree. I'll provide a link to my YouTube here. So after providing my link, my YouTube link, I will watch carefully. I provided my YouTube link, and from this place, I will like to submit. So before doing that, it will ask me to provide an email verification code. I'm going to do it right away. Okay, is complete. Okay, it's telling me thank you. Our affiliate manager will reach out to you within 3 days to 5 working days. Okay, if you have any inquiry, please contact this. So this brings you to the end of this very signing up process. So the moment you are being accepted into this program, you start sharing and you start earning. Okay, it's very simple. So if you are accepted, you'll be notified through your email. If you are not accepted, you'll also be notified through your email. But I do hope that you follow this step-by-step process so that you can be accepted. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.